Hello, Bill Molyneux with Bill's History World with none other than Goober the Traveling Bear. And we are in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania for a quick video of the Pennsylvania Memorial today. So Goober and I will hit the memorial, do a little bit of video work on it. For those of you that can't make it to the memorial, it's November 20th, 2023, a cool brisk day, and it's bright and sunny. All right, the Pennsylvania Memorial, it literally sits right near the Pickett's Charge area. I've done a nice video of Pickett's Charge. There it is out there. That's where Armistead fell. Now the monument itself, I know there's a lot of people who have done a lot of videos on this memorial. We're just going to hit a little bit. So the regiments from Pennsylvania that served, they have the soldiers from each regiment listed. And they were updating these up to a time, and then they stopped doing that. There's the Minnesota monument. By the way, I have quite a bit of wind out here, but I am using a dead cat on top of a dead cat, hoping it will help. All right, let's walk around and go up the stairs. Okay, Pennsylvania remembers the largest monument on the battlefield, the Pennsylvania Memorial, a symbol of respect. All right, and we have very few tourists here on this November 20th day. One of the best times to come to Gettysburg is Super Bowl Sunday, by the way. All right. So, Governor Curtin, and of course Abraham Lincoln. Well, here we have the front of the Pennsylvania Memorial, and what a beautiful day. And oh my gosh, it's Goober the Traveling Bear. And you know, his whole job is to help promote history and bring awareness to historic sites, and to help with trying to educate people about our past. So let's follow Goober, who has little legs. I'm going to have to carry him up these stairs and to go up that tower to get to the top. All right, let's put him back in the Scoots travel bag. All right, follow us upstairs, everyone. All right, let's go up the stairs. And Goober the Traveling Bear is in the Scoots travel bag. And I don't know how the dead cat's going to work for all the wind here, but we'll see. Now, we're going in. How many of you have been upstairs? It's sort of a creepy walk up here. And doing this at night is even more creepier. By the way, the walls are lined with copper. It's very nice that this has been reworked. This railing, by the way, is damn cold. Now I'm going to have to turn the camera off when I get to the top and breathe. Being old and fat and chubby, we made it. All right, everyone. All right. Can you read that while I try to get my breath back? This is an incredible little room. All right, let me pause the camera here for a minute. So if you're wondering about the door, it is metal, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm still recovering from the hike, but let's take a look outside. Okay, the Catoctin Mountains are over there. Mr. Ed's Elephant Land and Mary Jemison's home. All right, we're going to try to, we have Robert E. Lee's Virginia Memorial over out there. I don't know if you can see it. There's the Couture Farm. Boy, where that tractor is, that's coming in, is where the Bliss Farm area is, where all that scrub is, way out there. Here's our Union lines, the Pickett's Charge area. Beautiful day here. So this is the front of the Union lines looking across to the Confederates. Father William Corby's statue is down there, and you can't quite see him. And there's Little Round Top and Big Round Top. I'm gonna let the camera go. For those of you in faraway lands, I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope my dead cat wind speaker is helping. It's very cool and windy out here. Now, when you are up here, there are these arrows that point to things for you. So the Virginia Monument's 1 mile away. The Couture House is a quarter of a mile. Reynolds Woods, which is the first day's battlefield. McPherson's Barns, 2 miles away. Lutheran Seminary. And a lot of this gives you a feeling or an idea of just how big this battlefield is. Way out there is the cemetery. Now that monument there I have us focused on, that's the New York Engineer Unit, and they're out of the Binghamton, New York area where I grew up. Those buildings there, that's a maintenance shop for the battlefield. All right, and General Meade's headquarters is that white picket fence and white buildings out there. And so let's continue our walk around. And I'm hoping this audio will come out okay. The Minnesota Regiment, they went out there to try to stop Barksdale's Mississippi and during the Confederate attack on the second day. I've left Goober sitting on a ledge. I gotta go back and get him. Hold on, everyone. All right, I got Goober. That would have been very frustrating to have lost my trusty sidekick, Goober the traveling bear. He was in his scoots bag, so I got him. You gotta laugh. Life is short. All right. Now, you'll notice the artillery pieces with the black barrels. They are the 3-inch rifles or 10-pounder Parrots. When you see the blue barrels, those are the brass Napoleons or howitzers. There's a battery of 10-pounder Parrots. And normally a Union battery consists of 6 cannons, a Confederate battery 4. Quite often the Union batteries are all the same type of cannon, while the Confederates sometimes would mix theirs up with 3-inch rifles and 12-pounder Napoleons. But it's just a beautiful day here. This is one of those times where you just stop and relax and enjoy the scenery. Now, one of the things when I lived in Gettysburg that I enjoyed was coming during the fall and winter. A lot of the leaves are gone from the trees, and you could see a lot more monuments that are in the woods. Not everything is right on the road. And the other thing is really nice is we have literally no tourists. I could not make this video if it was June, July, August. So I think we're going to close this out with please subscribe, stay safe, be kind, be courteous, and Goober the Traveling Bear is very excited about being here and not being left behind. Thank you, everyone. All right, well, just for the heck of it, we're adding on. We're going back down. So the people that can't get here can experience the full experience of coming here. What do you think of that? All right, here we go. And let me tell you, see this railing here? It's about 35 degrees out today. And this railing is darn cold. And Goober is trying to double dog dare me to put my tongue on it. So if you have poor knees or health issues, you may not want to do this climb. Now, it is easier going down than coming up. All right. Let's hit this memorial erected in 1910, dedicated September 27th, 1910. By the way, this is one of those times where you need to go and Google and learn about this monument. Just amazing. I have such a beautiful day for this too. A few days from Thanksgiving. And to have this monument all alone is really neat.